Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Anna. I hope you missed me because I have missed you. I got a new job, life got in the way, I've been a little MIA, but I'm finally back and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious and moist pumpkin bread because we are in pumpkin season. So today I'm going to show you how to make the best pumpkin bread. Like I said, it only requires a few ingredients, delicious. You only need one bowl. Super good. So let me show you the ingredients so we can go ahead and get started. Here's what you're going to need: all-purpose flour, salt, pumpkin pie spice, baking powder, baking soda, pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, some milk, vegetable oil, eggs, melted butter, sugar, some baking spray, and that's pretty much it. You're also going to need some powdered sugar, maple syrup, and a little bit more of milk to make the glaze that we're going to pour all over the top once you start baking. But this comes out so quickly. So let me show you what you are going to do. To a large bowl, I am going to add my cooled melted butter. I'm using unsalted butter. If you are using salted butter, just omit the salt that's required in the dry ingredients. You are going to add your oil. I like to use the butter for the flavor and the oil because it's going to keep it really nice and moist. You're also going to add in your sugar, and we're going to give everything a quick mix until incorporated. Okay, now we crack in our eggs. Be careful so we don't get any shells in, and we mix this until the eggs are incorporated. Now we're going to add in our pumpkin puree. Make sure it doesn't have any flavorings, just plain pumpkin puree. You're going to add in your milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and we mix until all incorporated. I'm going to give my flour and my spice a quick whisker so everything combines very nicely. Okay, good enough. Now we add it to our mixture. I add half and then I add the other half. Okay, everything good, looks good. Now, here's what we're going to do. I have my loaf pan. This is a beautiful pumpkin loaf pan that I bought at Williams years ago. If I find it, I will link it for you because it's honestly just beautiful, but any loaf pan will do. I have my baking spray. I like the one that comes with flour. It ensures nothing sticks to it. I'm going to spray very well, just like that. And in goes our batter. So you want to make sure you add everything. I'm actually going to use a rubber spatula to make sure I get every last bit of it out. Give it a quick shake. Now this is going to go into our preheated oven. My oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to cook for about 45 to 50 minutes, depending on how hot your oven gets, but mine usually takes about 45 to 50 minutes. You know when it's done when you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. I'll show you what that looks like once it's done. My pumpkin bread is done. It baked for about 52 minutes if I'm not mistaken, but make sure after 45 minutes, start keeping an eye on it because obviously you don't want to overbake, but do the little toothpick test and that will tell you exactly when it's done. Now let's make our glaze. I have powdered sugar, maple syrup, and a little bit of milk. Here's all you are going to do. So you want to combine your powdered sugar with the maple syrup, and then you start adding a little bit of milk at a time until you reach your desired consistency. I like mine a little bit runny. Okay, I think this might be good enough for me. You want something that looks like this. If you want it a little bit thicker, add less milk, but to me this is perfect. We're going to transfer our bread. The bread has been resting for about 10 minutes, close to 10 minutes at least. Oops, it's hot. Give it a little tap. It should come out pretty easily because I sprayed my baking dish very well. Oh, beautiful, gorgeous. Look at this pumpkin bread. Look how beautiful it looks. While it's still hot, I like to drizzle on the maple icing. There you go. I cannot wait to dig into this. Normally, you would want to let it cool for a little bit more before you cut into it. I can't wait, so I'm gonna cut into mine right now. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's so moist. Look at that. Look how moist and beautiful it is. Like I said, normally you would want to let it cool at least for 30 minutes before you eat it, but this is too good. So fluffy, so moist. I can assure you this is the only pumpkin bread recipe you're ever gonna need because it's that fantastic. So go to my website, anitasdelightsrecipes.com, for the written recipe. Make it, love it. Comment down below if you made it, how it came out, because I can assure you it's absolutely delicious. So I'll enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.